Alright, next one. Ugh. Ooh, 2 layers of baggy. Something metal in there. Ooh, another layer. Ooh, definitely metal. What the hell? Oh, it's about a rocker box. Sposter. Ooh, chrome plated too. Yep. Sposter rocker box. $75. Date in there. You know it's a late one because it's got this cutaway, so that's 71 and later they did that. So 71 to 85, they're all basically the same. So this one's a 75 because it's got an actual casting date in it. Pretty rare to have a date on these things. So pretty good aluminum. I don't see any pitting in there. Scratched up obviously, but I don't care. It's a decent looking cover. No obviously breaks or imperfections in it. Cosmetic got a few scratches, but that's better than a bunch of corrosion, so there you go. If you want chrome, it's still presentable on a rider bike. So there you go. 71 and up. You can put them on an earlier bike too. They fit right on. They look different. So actually, the other ones are like a shovel. They go straight across. So, all right, there you go.